Microgreens are the young shoots of various vegetables and herbs. They are harvested just after they have sprouted and before they grow their first true leaves. As they are harvested early in their growth cycle, microgreens are packed with nutrients and flavors. Microgreens are more nutritious than their mature counterparts as they are harvested at their peak freshness. Studies have shown that microgreens contain higher levels of vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, and phytochemicals than their fully grown counterparts. Growing microgreens is easy and can be done indoors all year round. You can grow them in soil or hydroponically. All you need are some seeds, a growing medium, water, and light. In this beginner's guide, you will learn everything you need to know about growing your own microgreens. Choosing the right seeds is critical to growing delicious and nutritious microgreens. You can find microgreen seeds at any garden store or online seed retailer. Choose seeds that are specifically labeled for microgreens. Popular choices include sunflower, radish, beet, kale, and mustard. Microgreens can be grown in soil or hydroponically. If you choose to grow them in soil, you'll need a sterile growing medium that's free of pathogens and weeds. Preparing the soil is important as it ensures your young plants have the nutrients they need to thrive. If you choose to grow hydroponically, you'll need a growing tray and a nutrient solution. Once your seeds and growing medium are ready, it's time to plant and care for your microgreens. Plant your seeds as directed by the seed pack and keep them moist but not waterlogged. Ensure that they get plenty of light, either natural or artificial. In just a few days, you'll be able to harvest your nutritious and delicious microgreens.